dear students. Today we have Proposition 42. Book 1, Proposition 42. To construct a parallelogram equal to a given triangle in a given rectilineal angle. Okay? So here we have our our triangle, our given triangle. Here we have our given angle. Thus, it is required to construct a parallelogram equal to this and having this angle. Okay? Here we're going to go to our bag of knowledge. And remember we can bisect a line. Remember we can make an angle equal to a given angle. We've proven that. Remember from a point and not on a line, we can draw a line parallel to a given line. Remember that we've proven also that triangles on equal bases and in the same parallels are necessarily equal to each other. And remember we've proven that a parallelogram on the same base with a triangle and in the same parallels with it, the parallelogram is double that triangle. Okay? I'll refer to those as we do the prop. Here we go. Again, the triangle, the angle, thus it is required to construct a parallelogram that has at least one of these, one angle equal to that, and then equal to this triangle. Okay? So let's do some things here. Let's bisect this line. We know we can do that. We've proven that. So let it be done. This is where we're just godlike. We don't have to redo the prop. We just say imagination, bisect it. Okay? Draw a point such bisect, because I know it can be done. Let's, for now, go ahead and connect these points, these 2 points. Okay? And let's, from this point, draw a line that that has an angle equal to that angle. Okay, we'll use, say, blue now. So here we have a line and a point on that line. We're going to draw another line making an angle equal to a given rectilineal angle. We've proven that in proposition, I don't know what it was, 10, something like that. Okay? So let's do that here. Draw this straight line equal, not with our imagination. I mean, we use our imagination, but we know we can do that. The intellect is very pleased because it's already been able to see that that's possible. Okay? And then let's, from a point on a line, draw another line parallel to a given line. Okay? From a point which is not on that line, draw a parallel line, draw a line parallel to a given line. Okay? Let's do the same thing over here. From this point, let's draw a line parallel to this line. Okay? We might as well, let's use red. Okay, I'm going to draw a line parallel to this line. Okay? And then extend it. Keep extending it to where it cuts. These two. Okay? So, now the rest of the prop is me showing you that this is equal to this. So what's really cool about these last few props is that we're not proving, before when we proved equality, we always had to show coincidence, that the two things coincide. These things clearly are not coinciding. They're not even the same kind of figure. There's no way they could coincide. But we're going to show equality nonetheless, like we've been doing in the past few props. Okay? So, here we have two triangles on equal basis. Remember, we bisected this line, so we know that this is equal to this. And they're in the same parallels because we drew this parallel to this. Okay, clear. It's in the same parallels, they share the same apex. So they're necessarily equal. We've shown in the past that two triangles on equal bases and in the same parallels are equal to each other. Okay, so this is equal to this. Great. Now look at this parallelogram. It shares the same base with this triangle. And we've proven in the past that parallelograms on the same base and in the same parallels with a certain triangle are double it. Okay? These are in the same parallels and they're on the same base, so this parallelogram is necessarily double this. But watch this. This is equal to this. So any two taken together are clearly double than one of them because they're equal to each other. So this whole is double this part. But this is double this. So two things double to the same thing are equal to each other. It's like two things equal to each other. Two things equal to the same thing are equal to each other. Two things double the same thing are clearly equal to each other. So this parallelogram is equal to this triangle. And this was our original triangle. And this was our parallelogram drawn with an angle equal to the given angle. Quod erat demonstrandum. Thus we have shown that a parallelogram can be drawn equal to a given triangle in any given angle. Quod erat faciendum, which was to be made. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.